Alright guys, we're going to change out a standard display unit. The standard display unit's got a pigtail on it, and with this pigtail it allows you to do a wired remote instead of a USB terminal, which allows, with the USB terminal, it allows the app, so you can use your smartphone to control it. So I'm just going to show you how to change it. You can do it either way. If you don't want the app, you can do wire controller, and you can change it over to the app. So it depends on which model you get. And I'm going to show you how simple it is. You just pull your face cover off here. It snaps right off the side. Pull your cord out, and your cord just plugs in the back. Unplug it. Pull your display unit off. Put your new display unit on. And it's just one screw that holds it on. And this is your USB terminal for your adapter for Wi-Fi. And all it does is it slides in the groove on your top panel, and then it's got a hole. The hole lines up with the hole for your screw. You might need to go find you a little Phillips head screw to go in there. It's a real short one. You screw that down. Make sure your wire goes in your loom, and then this wire comes back, tucks in to your control panel.